Hey everybody, and welcome to the introduction for the second section of this tutorial series. In this section, we'll be setting up our game clocks. And in doing so, we have to set up what we're going to use for our game time. And then we're going to set up a day and night cycle. We're going to set up our user interface and HUDs, which will be a very simple sort of introduction on how to set them up. And then we're going to link one of our HUDs or user interfaces to our game time. Now, I want to thank everybody so far for getting me this far. I want to thank the new subscribers I have. First set of subscribers. We've made 25 in the first section alone, which is more than I expected to make. So, let's make another 25 from this section. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and that notification icon. And to tell you guys in terms of what your feedback does and how it changes the tutorial setups, outside of dropping these cards from the introduction on every slide, I am adding more content in. So one of the things that everybody has been asking for, either in direct messages to me on Reddit or Twitter, comments I've seen here on YouTube, have been asking for Fog of War. A lot of the other things I've been asking for have already been included in other sections. So yeah, I am going to make it clear we are adding Fog of War after our units and NPC behaviors. And to do so, we're going to look at we're going to look at detection and exploration. So detection is when your building or your NPC can see things around them that are not part of the environment. So other enemies, other NPCs, their buildings. With the buildings, this will be something that's permanent. It always has that going. For the NPCs, it will be based on their location. On top of this, the bigger part of Fog of War is that exploration aspect. The part where the map hasn't been explored, you can't even see it yet. We're going to have that included as well. So all that said, I look forward to seeing you in the rest of the second section where we'll be setting up game time, our day and night cycle, and part of our user interface. If you have any questions or comments, anything you want to see in this series, please let me know in the comments down below. Your feedback, either here or on Reddit or Twitter, is useful to me. It is useful for setting up these tutorials in a way that delivers you information that you find useful. That said, as usual, likes are always appreciated. Again, subscribe and hit that notify icon so you know when the next tutorial is out. And I hope you have a wonderful day.